Okay, I'm going to show you this horse, Winter Storm. He is a son of Beauty Value, and he's running on turf. He's the only gray right there. Well, there's another gray. Sorry. He's number 5. I bred him to honor Tasman, who is a daughter of Abel Tasman. He's got mad courage in him too. It's the first time I've ever created a Beauty Value son that can run turf, but can't run dirt. Don't make sense, but I guess he got more of his mom than his dad, but he's got his dad's heart. And he's a closer. He's right there on the outside. No 777, no nothing. He just takes off. He's undefeated. He will flat go. You can tell he's got all Beauty Value in him. And his mother was an awesome mother. Honor Tasman was really good. I'm going to keep that Abel Tasman line going strong. I'm going to be really selective of who I breed him to. But he's really nice. His name is Winter Storm. There you go. Thank you for watching.